Dr. Dwan Abrams.
When you feel a little stressed or overwhelmed, breathe. We don't always have to overcommit. Remember, an invitation is not an obligation. Take a moment for little things. Silence is golden in the run of a day. Even start out with 5 minutes of silence every day. Every day, just go somewhere quiet, turn the TV off, put that phone on silent, and do this at least 1 hour before you should actually go to bed. One of my good friends shared a tip with me about something. She said that she doesn't talk to anybody on Sundays. I said, nobody? She said, nobody. She said she told people, do not call me on Sundays. This is my day for me to unwind. No business, no nothing, just her day. And I was like, I can't do it. I can't do it because my mom calls me every day. And she would panic if she couldn't speak to me. And she's like, not if you tell her, not if you tell her. So what I implore you to do also is set some time where you are like, you know what? I don't have to do work. I don't have to take calls unless I just want to speak to someone. Not because they're calling you and you feel obligated to pick up the phone, right? Okay, so we can start putting some boundaries in place. I'll have like a milk bath. Sometimes I'll throw some bubbles in there, but I just do whatever just to luxuriate on a consistent basis. So if you're not taking those moments to take a nice bath, just sit down, relax, close the door, no one bothers you, don't even have your phone dinging, turn that thing off, do whatever, and take a bath. You dim the lights. I mean, totally do this for yourself. I'm not talking about the romantic nights with your guy or whatever, or your person. I'm saying you, by yourself, do this to you, okay? And if you don't give yourself facials, give yourself a facial at home. You're giving facials, you're doing all this, and when you finish, you'll feel so good. Whether it's that bath, reading that book, whatever it is for you that makes you feel good, do that. And then when you love it, do it again and keep doing it until it becomes a part of your habit, your routine. So don't just stop doing it. Do it and then be intentional and keep doing it. All right, fantastic ladies. I have enjoyed you guys so much.
Thank you, Dr. Dwan.
It's my pleasure.